everyone, welcome back. Today I have another Korean skincare review. As usual, this is also a non-sponsored skincare review. The product I'm showing you is from the brand ISNTREE. This product is something which I should have reviewed last year itself, but totally I forgot about it. I will show you the full ingredient list of this product. The first ingredient you can see it is bifida lysate. This eye cream has 61% of bifida lysate. It also has EGF, ceramides and peptide complex. There are oils like squalane and avocado oil. The ingredient list is very long. You can see there is niacinamide in there. Also antioxidants, vitamin C derivative which is ethyl ascorbic acid, and another great antioxidant astaxanthin is here. Now, do an eye cream need this much big list? I honestly think this is little bit too much, but ingredient seems good and safe. These are really safe ingredients, so no issues with that. It is fragrance free, sulfate free and paraben free. Now coming to the package, it looks like a sleek tube, but look at the applicator, it's really good. It dispenses the right amount you need. Also you can apply just like that or use your finger to take out. The consistency looks really thick, just like an emollient cream. Now comes the problem. The problem is with the texture. It is not getting absorbed fully into the skin. It keeps on staying on top of the skin. And this is what I hate about this. It is not getting absorbed at all. So I can apply a small amount and I used it every night and day. What I felt is that it keeps the skin really healthy. It's not like any miracle cream, but it didn't fade dark circle quickly, but it made the eye area feel little younger. Means fine lines are gone, but the little bit lightened the skin tone. But again, if it gone little bit on my cheek or temple area, it breaks me out. So I have to be careful while applying. Have to apply only on the eye area and clean my hand before I do the rest of my skincare. Did it reduce the dark circle? Only to some extent, but I think it's really good for people who have aged eye area or saggy eye because it has a lot of peptides in it. So I will be repurchasing if they may change the texture, because I really feel this is heavy and very heavy eye creams are not really comfortable to use. So I hope this review was helpful. Please do subscribe and hit the